Junkyard days.
Yeah.
Hot as hell in here.
Yes, sir.
We're at the junkyard right now. We are pulling out a fuel pump because we're doing a s.e.r. 3rd gen swap on the Altima. So we're pulling the fuel pump out right now, and it's giving bro a hard time. Per usual. Nothing's ever easy.
This last clip always thinks he's better than everybody else.
Yeah. Got my cousin out here from Tampa. He over here beating up glass and shit. He over here beating up glass. And y'all let him know we at budget. I done recorded like 5 videos at this junkyard. Pulling out stuff. Alright, we got the fuel pump. We heading out of this junkyard. What? Heading out of here. Getting back in a little Nissan. Nissan Kicks. You watch Fresh Kicks? No. He's a YouTuber. We're gonna do it this.
Yeah, that one could stay.
Just sit in the corner.
This one I'm gonna post it in there.
Yeah. It's no bueno anyway.
Yeah, I ain't trying to smell that with nothing.
Yeah, this one don't smell that bad. That one right there.
Oh, the Infinity wheels. I thought it was Mazda logo. It was like, no.
Oh, it is? Yeah, it is pretty clean. Oh, look at the 412s. Sitting up.
That baby thumping.
That baby bang-a-langing. And it's manual.
What
the fuck? It's a manual. I didn't know these came manual. We learned today. Boy, Outback. My neighbor got one of these, but it ain't gonna look like this. I'll tell you that. They been clean. Alrighty. We back in here. About to get back to the crib, and then we're gonna throw this thing in real quick. See how we get there. Alright, we made it back to the crib. Kicks got us all the way back here. Y'all don't know nothing about this right here though. Y'all don't know nothing about that type of stuff. Y'all some newbies. Yeah, y'all don't know nothing about that. Got the new pump. This is the s.e.r. with the 3rd gen motor, manual. Fuel pump is the last thing that we needed. Now we should be ready to start up. After we put the new fuel pump in, we're gonna let Terrence finish tackling that.
Yes, sir.
He wants to be in there getting high on his own supply. We're gonna get the music back started. So we don't get no copyright. We're gonna finish this up and then we'll let you guys see when we get ready to start it up. All right, guys, so let's first start up. We got some fuel in it. You ready? Oh, shit! What the fuck was that? That shit peed all over me. I don't know, it's like oil.
From the weirdest place possible.
Yeah, look at that.
Huh, okay.
What's that?
This model probably got cracked because these cars. Sorry, this model was in a wreck. So, okay. So it's coming from this hole right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, we're back to the crib. Got a new face cover for that one that was leaking oil out right there. This car was an accident that this motor came out of, and he said that it cracked the little thing right there. I can see it. Where the new face at? Right here. New one's right here. So it cracked that little part right there, where that ball is at. Spewing oil. You seeing how it shot at me? Spewing oil out of there. There's the new one. Got you. Yeah, where it broke at. so I can show you guys more up close where it got broke at. Oh, right there. See a little crack in the side. Spares for the spares. After this, we're gonna throw the Y pipe on the G. Y pipe for it. All right, new cover back in. Everything back assembled over here. Now next, we're gonna figure out if this Y pipe fits. See if this one fits down there first. I think this will work. Yeah, that'll work. We just need the screws and the gaskets. Don't start it up again before or no?
Yeah, I'll start it up. I'll cut that white pipe, the back of it, and that should be
ready to go. Got that nice clutch in there. All right, looks like we about ready to start it up again and move it out. Back on the ground, ready to move, roll out. So the plan is now to pull it out, and we're gonna put it back in the backyard. Now we can bring the G up real quick and do the Y pipe, because that shouldn't take but 10 minutes. Literally 6 screws, super easy. You just need one wheel, huh? You just need one wheel.
I have them.
I'm not against these wheels though. I like these wheels on here.
Yes, you are wheels?
Yeah, it looks clean.
Yeah.
Woo! Open the gate for him. Oh yeah, that's the supercharger. You gonna pressure wash it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, that thing's alive and running real good. Just gotta burn off all of that oil and stuff.
Yes, sir.
All right, so now we're gonna wash it down, pressure wash it, and then sit that thing in the back, let it dry. Pressure washing that thing. Dead. Oh, it's not dead. All right, y'all, so the swap is done. Everything's all cleaned up, pressure washed, clean, nice. What year is this motor in here?
2020.
2020 motor in a 2007. So if any of y'all want this swap down, y'all let us know, because we down for whatever. But yeah, with that being said, that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure y'all drop a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see y'all on the next one.